everyone. So in my previous video I have discussed about the definition of arbitration. Now I will tell you the characteristic of arbitration. So arbitration is consensual. Yes, arbitration can only take place if both the parties have agreed to it. In the case of future dispute arising under a contract, the parties insert an arbitration under clause in the relevant contract. An existing dispute can be referred to arbitrator by means of a submission agreement between the parties in contract to mediation. A party cannot unilaterally withdraw from arbitration. Now the second point is the party choose the arbitrator. Yes, here the party themselves choose their arbitrators. Under the WPO arbitration rules, the parties can select a sole arbitrator together if they choose to have a three-member arbitral tribunal. Each party supports one of the arbitrator. Those two persons then agree on the presiding arbitrator. Alternately, the center can suggest potential arbitrator with relevant expertise of directly appoint member of the arbitral tribunal. The center maintains an extensive order of arbitrator ranging from seasoned dispute resolution generalist to highly specialized practitioner and expert covering the entire legal and technical spectrum of intellectual property. The next point is arbitration is neutral. Yes, in addition to the selection of neutrals of appropriate nationality, parties are able to choose such important element as the applicable law, language and venue of the arbitration. This allows them to ensure that no party enjoys a home court advantage. Arbitration is a confidential procedure. The WPO rule specifically protects the confidentiality of the existence of the arbitration, any disclosures made during that procedure and the award in certain circumstances. The WPA rules allow a party to restrict access to trade secrets or other confidential information that is submitted to the arbitral tribunal or to a confidential advisor to the tribunal. So that's it for today. I have told you about the characteristic of arbitration. In my next video, I will tell you about the advantage for hiring an arbitrator instead of going for a court. Thank you.